Hey there, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to change the name on your Facebook page. Now, whether you're on an iPhone, Android, or a computer, it looks a little bit different on Facebook, but I'm going to walk you through a foolproof way to be able to definitely get that name changed. Now, open up the Facebook app or go to facebook.com. On my iPhone, you can see menu at the bottom right. Just tap on that. However, on a computer or Android, it'll be at the top right, so just tap on that. We need to switch as managing as the page. So tap on the drop-down arrow at the top right. Tap on your page name, in my case, Trevor's Treats. Now again, tap on the menu button or profile button at the bottom right or at the top right. Scroll down, tap on Settings and Privacy. Tap on Settings at the top. Scroll down. Tap on Page Setup midway down. Tap on Name at the top. Here you can see is my current name. I can tap on it and rename it to whatever I want. After I have renamed it, you can see it says if you change your name, you can't change it again for 60 days. Tap on Review Change, and you'll be able to see what the old name looks like and what the new name looks like, and you need to submit for approval. Essentially, you need to have Facebook review that new page name, make sure it meets all of the community guidelines of Facebook, pretty basic stuff, and then they will change it. Again, keep in mind that you do need to have changed it and not basically change it back for 60 days. So just make sure you like that new name. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed the video, check out the video over to my right. I think you'll really like it. Thanks, guys.